Hey guys, RJ here. So today I just want to help you guys out in having hopefully better ping in Counter-Strike 2. But first off, before we start, of course, make sure that you have a great internet connection as well and all of that. But regardless, if that's the case that you already have good connection and it seems you're still a bit laggier than normal in terms of ping, then hopefully these steps help you out. So to go here first, don't boot up the game yet. So let's go to Counter-Strike and then properties. So you can see here there is a launch options menu in the general tab. We would just want you to copy and paste these codes. We will be putting it down in the description below. But pretty much these codes are just console commands for when you boot up the game to help you out in reducing your latency. So after that's done, just press escape. And then you can now go to your network connections. You can just search network connections on your search bar here. And then look for what your usual connection is, if it's the Ethernet or your Wi-Fi. In my case, it's the Ethernet 2. So let's just go to properties and then go to IPv4. And then at the bottom here, use the following DNS servers. So pretty much the default setting is there will be a random DNS server assigned when you get connected to an internet connection. But in this case, the best servers would be this one. Just copy it, 8.8.8.8. And then for the alternate, 8.8.4.4. Right, so just click OK on that, OK on that, and then exit that. Then finally, just go to your search bar and type command prompt, and then run as administrator. So click on that. And then what you want to do here is to just type what I am typing. So it's ipconfig slash flush DNS. So this will completely pretty much refresh the cache of your DNS in the system. After that, type this, winsock reset. Will pretty much reset the catalogs in your computer. You will need to restart, but we have one more thing to do. That is ipconfig slash renew. And there you have it. It will renew all your, pretty much your IP addresses and all of that. So let's just exit that. And then finally, just reset your computer. So after you have reset your computer, feel free to boot up the game and check if it reduces your latency, and hopefully it does. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully I have been helpful to you guys, and have a nice day ahead.